Hey, Jerry Zayden at Camburg here. We got our buddy Nick here in his Ford Ranger build. This thing is badass. We're gonna do a little interview with Nick and show you all about his Rangers. So Nick, tell us who you are and what you do.
My name's Nick. I'm a photographer. I'm also a new off-road enthusiast. Just kind of new to the scene, but learning as I go. Jerry here helped me out getting the right setup for the suspension, which is the Fox 2.5 DSCs. Night and day difference from what I had before, which were, not bad, but you could always improve, and there was a huge improvement from there. Just the ride quality overall, night and day difference. Noticed it right away. Just it absorbs everything. You can adjust it to your preference, which I like. So in the long run, I think it's all worth it. As I said, learn as you go, and I just wish I went from this from the beginning.
So Nick, I see you've done a lot of modifications here to your Ranger. So we have these general grabbers. These are the X3s. We're running the 35, 12.5, 17 mounted on the Method race wheels here. These are extremely popular out here in the West Coast and taking the country by storm. Tell us like some other stuff. I know you used to have a pop-up tent on here. I guess that's removable.
Yeah, so we're working on a rail system, kind of the rack, low profile. It's in the beginning testing stages right now, but looking to wrap that up pretty soon in time for summer and warmer weather. But yeah, I just got the tent set up back there. It's removable. Print-to rack, cases on top for, recovery gear and everything. Got Baja Designs lighting coming pretty soon. The boys are a little backed up right now, but really excited for that next one. We're gonna do the Print-to XL linkable.
So you got the Baja Designs lights down in the factory fog pockets here.
Yep.
And then what other lights do you have on order?
Well, right now just the link system, the light bar is going to go on. We got chase lights coming, so we're going to do a third brake light kit with Evo
Really cool.
manufacturing.
So you got the light bar going across the front coming, and got this nice rack on the roof. So you're going to get some lights on the back and the sides.
Yep.
And then rear suspension, you got the Fox shocks back tucked under there. They're kind of hidden up underneath the back there. But let's back up here and show you what this Ranger looks like.
We got Line X in the back.
So this Ranger, I don't know if you guys have really paid attention to these new Rangers yet, but they are badass. We're gonna do a little adjustment to the front, get the ride height up in the front a little bit more, which will help it quite a bit. Another cool thing, local here in Huntington Beach, is our buddy Nat. He owns and runs Line X Huntington Beach. So Line X is definitely by far the best coatings out there for if you're gonna spray your bed. We do that on all of our trucks. We use the Line X. We also do the inner wheel wells. See, you got this nice foldable, hard.
Solid fold.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if that thing's long enough on a big bed, you can just sleep on top of that. Anyways, yeah, so Ford Ranger. These are a turbo 4-cylinder engine. Once again, counting it down, we got the general 35-inch X3 mud terrain tires mounted to Method race wheels. We have the Baja Designs lights. We have the Camburg front suspension system, which runs our billet aluminum uniball upper control arms, mounted with the Fox 2.5-inch DSCs. And this is the factory series. So these are the aluminum bodied shocks, as high end as it gets. There's gonna be some more modifications coming in the future, so stay tuned. Thank you, Nick, for showing off your truck. Check him out. His Instagram profile is HB_Ranger right there. There you go. And yeah, peace out.